Okay, I'll make this as quick as possible. I've got a light in my holder here. It fits a standard bulb. There's my little phone. I'm going to turn the light off. Okay, now I aim the remote, changes the light. We can do red, green, blue. Okay, I love the blue. It's very bright. We can do a part where you can change the color and it gradually changes. Okay. Well, it's hard to tell, but it's going to green. Now we can do it faster, and they changed all different colors. You can do a strobe where it changes quickly, or you can do a faster strobe. Okay, the blue and the green are by far the brightest, as you can tell. The red looks really good, but you can do yellow, different shades of yellow. I also like the fact that you can dim the light or make it brighter depending on where you want it in your haunt. It also has white, but now you get the idea.